So, as a mom, I'm always trying to find extra ways to make income that can bring in money to the house that doesn't take away from my time with the kids. I'm showing you these pants. I'm like, aren't they so cute? So today I'm going to be sharing with you my journey. I'm starting a new journey. It's something that I've done in the past. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. But I am a new reseller mom. Okay, I'm reselling things online, and a lot of it is started with the things that I already have. And so if you're like me and you've accumulated a lot of stuff, or you have some nice stuff that you think somebody else could use, instead of just taking it and donating it, and sometimes, having all your nice things ending up in a clothing landfill, just sell it yourself. So I'm going to take you on this journey with me as I'm organizing the things that I sourced, some of my own things, and I'm very excited to share this with you. So let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask CHAUNTEL.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
My name is CHAUNTEL from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So donating your clothes to different donation centers like Goodwill or Salvation Army or maybe your local thrift store can be really helpful because it can get into the hands of people that need it. But a lot of times our clothes end up not ever being bought or given to someone, and they end up in landfills. And if you do a little bit of research, you'll find out that clothing is like one of the top things that is waste in our society today because of fast fashion. Now, I love me some clothes, and I'm more so into style than I am necessarily into brand. I'm more into style and into quality. But, those things don't always resell well. Just to kind of give you an idea, a lot of times if it's not branded, it's harder to sell. And if it's just stylish, then it has to be in season. So a lot of clothes end up in landfills. So what I actually did is I started, you guys saw me, my decluttering journey, which if you guys didn't see those videos, I will link them for you here. And you guys can check out my process of decluttering. And as I decluttered my clothing, I didn't show that one as much because it was a little bit overwhelming for me. But as I decluttered my clothing, I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and try reselling some of these clothes. Now, around the time that I had the first baby, Selena, I did start selling on eBay. And I sold every pair of shoes that I put on there. And I sold some of my clothes, but I really didn't take the extra time. But since we're in quarantine, I was like, yes, this is the perfect time to try to do this. So instead of wasting clothes, and just donating them and possibly ending up in a landfill, let me try to, resell some of the things that I had. Now, don't get me wrong. I have taken my clothes all the way to the Dream Center in LA because I know that place really gives to people in need. So if you can find a place that they give the clothes to people, I think that's great. I also took time to donate a lot of my stuff to people that I know, like at church. I took on many Sundays, I took a bunch of clothes and I gave to a lot of them were like teen girls because it was from when I was a teen. I could still fit all that stuff up until I had the girls. But anyway, so I did a lot of giving away of clothes, and I think that's another great way to do it. And then I did donate a lot because I had so much stuff. But now that it's more manageable, I went ahead and started listing my clothes. And I found a location in my house that I had a little bit of extra space, and I decided to go ahead and put up this storage cube. It's the 9 storage cube from Target, and I'm organizing right now. You guys can see with the girls. They're helping me organize this inventory. These are actually clothes that I saved. I saved these clothes from the Goodwill outlet. And it's really exciting because it's like the last chance for those clothes before they go into a landfill. And it really feels good to be able to find. I mean, you could not imagine some of the cute stuff that's there. People just never picked up. And I went, and I'll tell you more about that place if you guys are interested. But it's really cool. I went and I got a lot of great stuff that I am now reselling. and I'll show you guys my Instagram. You can just go right on there and follow me. It's a new Instagram just for this, for my reselling. It's called Naturally CHAUNTEL, where I'm listing all these really cool items that I'm finding, and when I bring them in this house, girl, you know I have to wash it. So I wash the clothes, take pictures of them, put them up, and over the last month I've sold quite a few items. There's been some hiccups, bumps in the road, because that's just how it is when you start a new business, but it has been so fulfilling to do something like this, because this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Tried it, didn't work out, but then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this again, and it's just so much fun. And if you want to see some of the clothes that I have, I'll definitely link my Instagram in the description box. You can buy them straight away from there. But yeah, I actually am working on getting a space together for all the things that I'm going to be reselling. So this is going to be like a little side hustle all on my own. I think it's really cool to be able to do that, like make a little bit of extra money on your own that you can do at your house. So if you're interested in doing it, follow my journey. Please let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more content like this, more of what I'm doing with this reselling thing. I'm still doing my YouTube thing, as you can see, but I think that this is a great opportunity to expand our income and to do something good for the environment. Even it's very sustainable, going and getting clothes that people are getting rid of and other people could definitely wear. It's like finding treasure that maybe one person didn't want or need, and being able to get it to the person that needs it. It's a lot of hard work. You gotta source, you gotta take pictures, you gotta post, you gotta promote. But once you do it and you actually sell something, it's so fulfilling and rewarding. And I'm really excited to share my journey with you. If you guys like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.